Well, it's great to have you along on this Monday night. 11:13 is your time, but I want you to take a look at this image that we have right here. This is a live look on the Marblehead Lighthouse Cam, a very familiar sight, perhaps maybe more familiar on a beautiful summer afternoon. But the thing that's unusual about this, do you notice the daylight appearance that it has? This isn't due to the midnight sunshine. It is due to the full moon and some of the stars that are twinkling away over Lake Erie, and a frozen look out toward Marblehead, and that heavy snow that's on the ground, or snowpack, reflecting some of that moonlight, making it almost appear very bright this evening. That full moon is tonight, first one of the 2025 season, nicknamed the full wolf moon. It will be visible to 8:51, although the clouds are going to begin to increase, already doing so in some areas. Clouds a little thicker across southern Michigan. That's kept us in the low to mid-teens. Look at how cold it is in Ottawa at 9. Clear skies, clear over toward Fremont and down toward Tiffin. You are at 12 degrees. The feels like closer to, if not below zero already, and it will feel just like that as we go into the morning tomorrow. So we'll start with that in the hour by hour feels like by tomorrow morning, about a degree or two below zero. Bundle up with the hats, the gloves, the warmer winter coats. It is going to be a brisk and cold feel to the morning. Doesn't get much better into the afternoon. Here's noon, single-digit wind chill values. Good idea, good opportunity probably to keep the kids indoors for recess tomorrow. And for the trip home, it is still going to be cold into the evening. Warm that car up if you got that automatic car starter. Single-digit wind chill values. We'll stay cold through at least midweek. It's going to be our big weather impact. That sub-zero chill Tuesday morning. Then there will be light snow mid to late morning tomorrow, about ½ inch of an accumulation into the weekend. A moderating trend will take us to a rain-snow mix on Saturday ahead of an Arctic front. Saturday night to Sunday, that's already got alert days out there for next week with the Arctic outbreak. So there it is, the moderation in the chill. This is just a little preview the next couple of days. Back into the mid-30s Friday, Saturday, and then by Sunday, we've got a cold Arctic chill that's arriving, and that's going to put our alert days out there Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. We may be looking at highs in the single digits by the time we reach early next week. So our alert days for this frigid cold, it is not going to be anything that's going to accelerate into the area now through the end of the work week. In fact, through Friday, we get a bit of a moderation in our temperatures. Late Saturday into Sundays when this Arctic blast is going to be put into motion. And it's not going to be us. You're going to hear headlines all across the nation. The Northern Plains, Great Lakes, East Coast, it is going to be bitterly cold. Now, I often get the question, is it too cold to snow? Technically, the answer is no, but that will keep the more active winter storm track well south of us as we go through this cold snap. Colder breeze tonight, those sub-zero chills down to 11 for the overnight low. Highs on Tuesday right around 19. We do get some light snow mid to late morning through early afternoon, around ½ inch of an accumulation. And then we're dry Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, back to the mid-30s into the weekend. A rain-snow mix on Saturday as that Arctic front arrives, sends us tumbling back into the 20s Sunday, some light snow, and the bitter cold out there early next week. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday could bring us some of the coldest weather we've seen in nearly 6 years.